Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the front door panel on your 2022 and up Tundra. You're going to start by removing the sail panel. So you're going to take your door panel remover, and you're going to insert it right here. And you're going to go ahead and pop it forward. Pull it out like that. Next, you're going to go over here to this little door clip, and then you're going to press it in, hear it pop, and then you're good. And be careful, don't drop it like I did. Next, you're going to come over here to this trim cover behind your door handle, and you're going to pop your door panel remover in there. And after you have your door panel remover here, you're going to pop it forward, and then remove your door handle and pull out the trim piece just like that. And you're going to come over here and grab your little rug out of your door. And then you're going to grab your door panel remover. Next, you're going to move your control panel. You're going to take your door panel remover. You're going to push it in right here. And then you want to slide it in a little bit and twist. And you're going to slide forward over here. Just work it up a little bit and pull it out, just like that. After you pop up your control panel, you're going to pull it forward just a little bit. And there's two wire harnesses right here and right here. And you're going to find these little tabs that are pretty easy to push down. You're going to push down on it and pull out. And then there's another black one right here, and you're going to find the tab, which is right inside right there. And I like to use my door panel remover and just pop it out like that. And just for a clearer image, it's going to be this little tab right here that you're going to be pushing down on. Just for a recap, we removed our sail panel right here, our little trim piece right behind your door handle, the carpet inside here, and your control panel. And next, we are going to remove a screw that is inside behind your door handle, a screw that was behind your control panel, and a screw that was underneath the carpet on your door. Next, you're going to remove this screw right here behind your door handle with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, you're going to go where that piece of carpet was, and you're going to take your screwdriver and go ahead. Due to my fingernails being so long, I like to use a magnet to pick up my screws so I don't have to fiddle with it too much. Next, you're going to come where your control panel was. You're going to take your screwdriver and remove this screw right here in the corner. Next, to move your door panel, you're going to run your hands down right here, and there's going to be a little section where your fingers should fit pretty well. So next, you're going to get into position. You're going to run your hand down right here. You're going to do controlled pull, but you have to be really careful not to pull too harshly and stress the top of your door panel right here. I like to use my leg to stabilize the door so it doesn't fall, because when you're going to lift up on your door panel, and behind it, you're going to find the door lock and the door handle cables. Next, you're going to take your thumb and you're going to the back part of these tabs and just pop them forward. And you're going to rotate the ball out, and it's going to slide right out of its little hole there. And you're going to do the same thing with the bottom one. Sometimes when you remove the door panel, this part right here will pop off. It's pretty simple to put right back into place. You just pop it in just like that. So sometimes when you take off your door panel, this little door gasket is going to come with it. You just want to pop it out and put it back on the door. Okay, so there's also a little piece right here that will slide in and out of your door panel gasket. And there are little tabs on it right here that you can just slide right back into place. Now we're going to put this right back into place right here. And make sure it falls into the grooves and it snaps in just like that. Another tip is when you install your door panel, you want to make sure the white is on top and the green is always going to be on the bottom. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to install your Taco Tunes front door component speakers. But for right now, I'm going to show you how to remove your stock speakers. So to start off with, you can either take your door panel remover, or I like to use my fingernail. You're going to come over here to this tab on the bottom of this wiring harness, and you're just going to pull out just like that. Next, you're going to go about removing the screws right here. You can either use a Phillips or a 10mm socket. Your door speaker should pop out just like this.